Okay, today's task deals with quote analysis. A quote analysis is a breakdown of the quote, making sense of it. So our objectives are to summarize, analyze, infer, explain, and draw conclusions. So the quote that we're going to look at today is highlighted, and it's from A.P.J. Abdul Kalam. So the quote states, "Never stop fighting until you arrive at your destined place. That is the unique you." So here's what we're going to be asked to do, which will be highlighted in blue. Okay, so let's look at this. So never stop fighting until you arrive at your destined place. That is the unique you. So the first thing we have to do is summarize the quote, put it in our own words, as well as analyze, infer, explain, and draw conclusions from the text. So let's get at it. So never stop fighting until you arrive at your destined place. So fighting can infer two things. It can mean perseverance, staying with it, or it can mean a physical altercation. So in this context, fighting deals with, to me, staying with it, giving your all. For example, a football team has to fight in order to win a championship. That means to add determination, perseverance. So never stop fighting until you arrive at your destined place. The quote is saying that you must possess perseverance and toughness in order to make your dreams come true. Okay, so we answered the first question. Now we have to determine whether we agree or disagree. Clearly, I agree with this statement, and I'm going to explain it. I agree with the statement. I'm going to use a semicolon. I agree with the statement. Life is tough. Life is tough and full of obstacles. That you must, we're going to move up a little bit, you must overcome. To achieve your aims. An example, I'm going to give an example, so I'm going to use a transition. For example, a teacher, I'm going to be personal here, a teacher must fight each day to ensure that his or her students are learning and growing and developing. Let's say developing, that's a better word. Okay. A teacher must have content knowledge. That means they must know their stuff. Patience and work ethic. To fight every day, to fight. I don't like to fight. Let's just leave it as it is. Okay, to conclude, what is the quote saying? Do you agree or disagree? Explain. The quote in yellow, never stop fighting until you arrive at your destined place. That is the unique you. We can elaborate a little more here with the unique you. So let's add on here. That can be our concluding statement. Moreover, another transition. How about we just add another couple sentences here? Moreover, and we'll address this part, the unique you. Moreover, the unique you is the person you were destined to become. It requires a person to dig deep and grow daily. Okay, concluding. Okay, so this is our statement. So what is the quote saying? Do you agree or disagree? Explain. The quote is saying that you must possess perseverance and toughness in order to make your dreams come true. I agree with the statement. Life is tough and full of obstacles that you must overcome to achieve your aims. Let's say objectives here. That sounds a little more professional. Objectives. For example, a teacher must fight each day. Let's say battle. Must battle? Okay. Each day to ensure that his or her students are learning and developing. Teacher must have content knowledge, patience, and work ethic. Moreover, the unique you is the person you were destined to become. You are destined to become. Let's be more. Okay. All right, so this is our statement. So we responded to the quote, we answered each part, and we elaborated. So if we go back to our objectives, we summarized, we analyzed, we inferred, we explained, and we drew a conclusion. Okay, any questions? You can leave that in the comment section. Thank you.